Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OPPO Reno 10 smartphone. Here you can see OPPO Reno 10 5G. Here's the big 10 you can see. So now quickly open it up and start the unboxing. So here in top we get the small box of OPPO. If we see inside it, we get the SIM ejector pin and reading manuals. And guys, this is the transparent back case you get in the box, which is light and slim. Yep. And guys, here's the phone itself. OPPO Reno 10 5G. You can see ultra clear portrait camera system, 32 megapixel telephoto portrait camera, 67 watt superbook flash charge, and 5000 milliamp hour large battery. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we have USB type A to type C cable. And guys, this is the 67 watt fast charger you get in the box. That's all we get. Keep this thing aside and come to the phone. So you can see as the phone itself, remove its plastic cover. So guys, here's the phone itself. It is in ice blue color. The silvery gray color is also available. So you can see the phone. If we talk about the weight of this phone is 185 gram and the thickness of this phone is 8 mm. And if we talk about the build, it has glass front, plastic frame and glass back. So you can see the phone in my hand, OPPO Reno 10. If we talk about the design, here you can see it has sparkling and shimmering design. Features OPPO glow in an icy crystalline look. Here you can see flawless design. Here you can see. It has 3D curve design. You can see. Once you hold it, you won't want to let it go. Here you can see 3D curve design. A sleek powerhouse with a slim body. Okay, now if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the air blaster, noise cancellation microphone, and this is the speaker grill. It has dual stereo speaker which gives you immersive sound power. And on this side we have volume up and down key and power on off key. And on bottom it has speaker grill, USB type C port, main microphone, and this is the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So guys, it has hybrid SIM card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. Okay. And on this side, nothing. Flat. And on back, it has triple rear camera system, 64 megapixel f1.7 aperture, ultra clear main camera, 32 megapixel telephoto camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Here you can see. The camera design is looking really good. Here you can see. And on front it has 6.7 inches 120 Hz full HD plus 3D curved AMOLED screen with 32 megapixel camera over there. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of OPPO Reno 10 5G smartphone. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. And if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Helpful quick setting is also available. And guys, if we talk about its peak brightness, it is 950 nits. Yes, it is 950 nits peak brightness. Okay, now if we talk about its smoothness, it has 6.7 inches, 120 Hz full HD plus 3D curved AMOLED screen, which has 1.7 billion colors, wide one annual support, 93%, yes, 93% screen to body ratio, and HDR10 plus certified. And if we talk about the protection, it has AGC DT Star 2 protection. So quickly check out its smoothness. So check this out. So as you can see guys, it is ultra high. Yes, it has ultra high performance. You can see ultra high performance you get in the phone. Yep guys, it's running really smooth, ultra high. As you can see, it is running really smooth. And if we go in settings, about device, so you can see color OS 13.1 official version, device name and storage 24 GB is used out of 256 GB. And here we have MediaTek Dimensity 70506 nm octa-core processor, which allows effortless streaming and seamless switch between tasks at a remarkable speed. And you can see the battery capacity 5000 milliamp hour typical. And if we go in RAM, here we have 8 GB RAM and up to 8 GB RAM expansion. You can expand the RAM up to 8 GB. And if we go in Android version, you can see runs on at latest Android 13. Android version is latest Android 13. And the Android security update is of 5 June 2023. If we talk about the UI of the smartphone, you can see it runs really smooth. You get many bloatware, but you can simply tap and hold and tap on uninstall to uninstall it. Here you can see. As you can see guys, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with this smartphone. Okay, now if we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. So here's the fingerprint animation pops out. I put finger and it unlock the phone. The animation fingerprint pops out. I put and it unlock. Pops out and I put and it quickly unlock the phone as you can see. Yep guys, it is fast and responsive. You can see really fast and responsive. You can see I put and it quickly unlock the phone. Okay, and if we talk about its face unlock performance, I look and it unlock itself. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock itself. I'm not seeing. I look and it unlock itself. So guys, both face unlock and in-display fingerprint both are fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO Reno 10 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, then let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.